someone speaks to you in English, and you understand them. But then your brain says, now reply, and suddenly it's empty. So you say, okay. Or yes. And the conversation feels flat, or it stops. Today, I'll help you with everyday English responses for daily conversation. Simple replies that sound friendly, real, and human. No pressure. Mistakes are okay. One small sentence is perfect. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Speak Easy English show. I'm Daniel. I'm really happy you're here. If you feel shy, you are not alone. If you feel slow, that's normal too. This is a safe space. In the previous episode, we practiced starting a conversation with simple questions and short answers, so you don't freeze at the beginning. Today is the next step, what to say back when someone speaks to you. Because daily life is quick. A neighbor says something. A coworker asks something. A friend shares news. And your English is in your head, but you want it to come out smoothly. So today we will learn a daily reply set you can reuse again and again. Take your time. Pause is okay. You're doing better than you think. Group 1, I'm listening, replies. 1, oh, I see. Meaning, I understand you now. Example, oh, I see. So, you're busy today. 2, okay. Meaning, I understand/I accept it. Example, okay. I understand. 3, got it. Meaning, I understand. Example, got it. I will do it now. Group 2, good news replies. 4, that's great. Meaning, that is very good news. Example, you passed the test. That's great. 5, good for you. Meaning, I'm happy for you. Example, you got a new job. Good for you. 6, nice. Meaning, that is good. Example, you bought a new phone. Nice. Group 3, bad news reply, very common. 7, oh no. Meaning, I feel sorry/that is bad news. Example, oh no. Are you okay? Group 4, kind support replies. 8, that's okay. Meaning, it's not a problem. Example, sorry, I'm late. That's okay. 9, no worries. Meaning, don't worry, it's fine. Example, sorry. No worries. 10, no problem. Meaning, it's fine/I can help. Example, thanks for your help. No problem. 11, that's tough. Meaning, that sounds difficult. Example, work is very hard. That's tough. Group 5, compliment replies. 12, thank you. Meaning, I appreciate it. Example, your English is good. Thank you. 13, that's kind of you. Meaning, you are being nice. Example, you did great. That's kind of you. 14, I'm happy you think so. Meaning, I feel good because you said that. Example, you speak clearly. I'm happy you think so. Group 6, thinking time replies. 15, let me think. Meaning, I need a short moment. Example, let me think, maybe Friday. 16, just a second. Meaning, wait a short time. Example, just a second. I'll check. Now, one important A2 tip. Sometimes, okay, can sound a little cold. So, here are two warmer options. Phrase, okay, sure. Meaning, yes, I agree. Example, okay, sure. I can do that. Phrase, okay, no problem. Meaning, it is fine. Example, okay, no problem. And here is one helpful phrase for changing topic gently. Phrase, by the way. Meaning, we change the topic gently. Example, by the way, how was your day? And if you feel nervous, you can say one honest line. Phrase, I'm a little nervous, but I'm trying. Meaning, you feel nervous, but you want to speak. Example, I'm a little nervous, but I'm trying. Take your time. Pause is okay. You are building a new habit. Now pronunciation and mini listening. Copy me. Soft voice is okay. Your mouth learns with repetition. We will do the listening pattern like this. I say it normal. I say it slow. Now you repeat. Now normal speed. We will repeat each target 2 times with me. Target 1, got it. I say it normal, got it. I say it slow, got it. Now you repeat 2 times. Now normal speed, got it. Target 2, no worries. I say it normal, no worries. I say it slow, no worries. Now you repeat 2 times. Now normal speed, no worries. Target 3, okay, sure. I say it normal, okay, sure. I say it slow, okay, sure. Now you repeat 2 times. Now normal speed, okay, sure. If you rewatch, repeat this pronunciation part one more time. It helps your mouth feel relaxed. Now a quick vocab box. These words help you in daily conversation. 1. Tough, difficult. Example, that's tough. 2. Worries, stress in your mind. Example, no worries. 3. Kind, nice and caring. Example, that's kind of you. 4. Message, text you send on phone. Example, I sent a message. 5. Traffic, many cars on the road. Example, traffic was bad. 6. Moment, a short time. Example, give me a moment. 7. Good news, happy information. Meaning, happy information. Example, I have good news. 8. Bad news, sad information. Meaning, sad information. Example, I have bad news. Nice. These words help you understand and respond fast. Practice set 1, repeat after me, slow. Now we build your reply habit. Soft voice is okay. Take your time. Pause is okay. One small sentence is perfect. Repeat after me. 1. Oh, I see. 2. Okay, sure. 3. Got it. 4. That's great. 5. That's okay. 6. No worries. 7. No problem. 8. Let me think. Nice. That already sounds friendly and real. Round 2, same lines, a little smoother. Now again, a little smoother. Not fast. Just smoother. Repeat the same 8 lines again. If you rewatch, repeat this part. This is your best sound natural training. Practice set 2, choose the best follow-up, A or B. Now A or B choices. Choose A or B. 1. Person says, I passed my exam. A. That's great. B. I am pencil. Correct, A. Model line, that's great. Y. It shows happy feeling. 2. Person says, sorry, I'm late. A. That's okay. B. Blue table. Correct, A. Model line, that's okay. Y. It sounds kind. 3. Person says, can you send the file? A. Got it. B. Weather is 7. Correct, A. Model line, got it. Y. It shows you understand. 4. Person says, I feel sick today. A. Oh no. Are you okay? B. Banana phone. Correct, A. Model line, oh no. Are you okay? Y. It shows care. 5. Person says, thanks for your help. A. No problem. B. Green door. Correct, A. Model line, no problem. Y. It sounds friendly. Nice. If you got 3 out of 5, that is very good. That is real progress. Quick friendly note before the role plays. If this lesson helps you feel calmer in English, please subscribe to Speak Easy English Show. This channel is a safe place to practice speaking, slow, simple, and real. And you can come back anytime. Repeating is not boring. Repeating is how you grow confidence. Also, write one short comment like, I'm practicing daily replies. I read your comments, and you are not alone here. Practice set 3, roleplays, 3 real-life roleplays. Roleplay 1, neighbor, good news. Your neighbor shares good news, and you want to respond warmly. Neighbor, I got a new job. Your turn, natural reply plus 1 question. Model answer, oh, really? That's great. Micro continuation, I'm happy for you. One more question, when do you start? Neighbor replies, next Monday. You say, nice. Good luck. Even one line is a win. You are communicating. Roleplay 2, coworker, small problem. Your coworker has a small problem. You want to be kind. Coworker, sorry, I'm late. Traffic was bad. Your turn, natural reply plus 1 question. Model answer, that's okay. No worries. Micro continuation, it happens. One more question, are you okay now? Coworker replies, yes, I'm okay now. Friendly closer, okay, let's start. This sounds real and caring. Roleplay 3, new friend or classmate, compliment plus thinking time. A new friend compliments you and asks a question. You want to reply kindly, even if you need time. New friend, your English is really clear. Do you want to study together tomorrow? Your turn, reply plus thinking time plus answer. Model answer, thank you. That's kind of you. Micro continuation, I'm practicing every day. Then, let me think, maybe tomorrow evening. One more question, what time is good for you? New friend replies, maybe 7 p.m. That is a real, friendly reply. Now a real daily moment. Yesterday, a friend messaged me, sorry, I replied late. I was busy. In the past, I might write only, okay. But I wanted to sound warm and friendly. So I wrote, that's okay. No worries. My friend felt relaxed. Then I wrote, by the way, how was your day? My friend replied more, and the conversation continued. Small replies can change the whole feeling. Extra practice round, quick swaps. This part is great for repeat mode. Tomorrow, you can practice for 5 minutes and stop. That is enough. I say a situation. You say one reply. And one time, we add a follow-up question, to use the full formula. 1. I'm tired today. Model, oh, I see. 2. I got good news. Model, that's great. When did it happen? 3. Sorry. Model, no worries. 4. Your English is good. Model, that's kind of you. 5. Can you help me? Model, got it. 6. I have bad news. Model, oh no. Are you okay? Nice. You are learning to reply like a real conversation. Let's review calmly. Today you learned a daily reply set. Listening replies. Good news replies. Bad news replies. Kind support replies. Compliment replies. Thinking time replies. And you learned a gentle topic change, by the way. Replay tip: if you rewatch, start at practice set 1 and do round 2. That is your best training. Now your homework. Please write it in the comments. Before you write, here is one quick example answer. Example. Reaction, that's great. Follow-up question, when do you start? One more question, are you excited? Now your turn. Homework, write in comments. Reaction. Follow-up question. One more question. I will correct your English kindly and give a better option. One small sentence is perfect. Your comment is your practice diary. You did really well today. Everyday English is not big English. Everyday English is friendly English. Here is your simple 3-day plan. Day 1, repeat practice set 1. Day 2, do practice set 2, A or B. Day 3, do the 3 role plays, then comment the homework. Even 5 minutes is enough. Small daily practice is powerful. Please like, subscribe, and comment your homework so I can help you. Next episode, we will practice natural ways to change the topic smoothly. Alright, my friend, take your time. Pause is okay. See you next time. Bye bye now.